What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hustle. King Hustle X1M, King Hustle 2.0, King Hustle Crazy Reactions, The Hustle Family, Click Care to, y'all don't know nothing about that one. Turn motivation into millions and dog pound exotic pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, alright? And before we get things started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So we dropping gems. We back at it dropping more information. And I'm about to give y'all some more good information. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all where y'all can get a $40,000 personal loan, bad credit, and CPN freely. All right. Now, when it comes to CPNs, a lot of people out there are trying to buy these pre-built CPNs. Stop trying to buy pre-built CPNs with other people's information, because when they go run that information and you're a black male, 5'6", 140 pounds, and you have a white male's information who's 6'2", 252 pounds, and it don't match, and you're going to get in trouble. So people out there, please be more smart. Please stop being so lazy. Please stop looking for a shortcut and understand that you have to do things the right way. All right. So a lot of people out there don't understand how CPNs run. A lot of people think that you just buy a CPN and just got this fantastic credit score already. You can go buy and get anything that you want. No. Once you get a CPN, or once you create a CPN, you have to build it the same way you will build your original credit. It's the same thing. So if you want to start a business under your CPN, you gotta know how to build business credit. If you want to get a loan under your CPN or a crib or anything, you gotta have a certain credit score. You gotta do the exact same thing. You have to build the personal credit on that CPN. So people out there just be looking for, think they just want to buy a CPN and just go do whatever. It does not work like that. So please be more smart and aware out there, because I don't want to keep seeing people on YouTube trying to getting these janky CPNs, trying to get cars and whatever, and getting caught. Because I already told y'all. So correct way and it's the wrong way. A lot of people are doing it the wrong way. All right, so don't be one of those people. But in today's video, I'm gonna show y'all a bank that is CPN friendly that will give you up to $40,000 with bad credit personal loan. All right, so without further ado, let's go check out Star One Credit Union, where they giving out the $40,000. And we all know, in order to get these loans, you have to finesse your credit profile. And how do you finesse your credit profile? Is by adding trade lines, because they want to make sure you have they want to make sure that the debt that you have, and if they add this debt to it, you'll be able to continue to live your life. So they want to make sure you're going to be able to pay your bills back, and they want to make sure you can pay back this money. All right, so if you're trying to get a $40,000 CPN, $40,000 loan, you need to at least be making $60,000 in debt, exception of $65,000 of debt on your credit profile that you're paying back an exceptional payment. Easy as that. And you can easily go to Credit Strong, trade line supply, Credit Magnum, add the trade lines, let it marinate, then go apply for the loan, get approved. Easy as that. A lot of people don't understand the logistics of getting approved for money, loans, credit cards, lines of credit. And that's why I'm here to show y'all how to get this bag. All right, so let's check out Star One Credit Union, where you can go to get your $40,000 CPN freely, bad credit personal loan. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Star One Credit Union, in your best interest. All right, so high interest savings, they talking about that. Mortgage loans, no origination fee. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to the mortgage, auto, and other loans. Once you do, you want to go over here to the personal loans and lines of credit. So personal loans and lines. Meet your individual financial needs with Star One Credit Union, personal line of credit, or personal loan. So personal line of credit. Use a revolving line of credit for vacations, home decorating, computers, or even to pay the higher rate credit cards. It also provides an overdraft coverage for you for your Star One free checking account. All right, the maximum credit line is $40,000 and the minimum is $1,000. The interest rate on the quarterly variable rate loans is determined by the index. The annual percentage rate, APR, is determined by adding 4% to the most recent value of the prime rate published in the money rates column of the Wall Street Journal, 10 days preceding the first day of month of January, April, July, October, and rounded to the nearest quarter of percent. All right, so then they got the personal loans. Annual percentage rate, APR, 10.25% to 14.25. Monthly payment, $21.38 to $23.41 per $1,000. All right, so if you want to get a $40,000 loan, do $23. You might as well just do the highest one, $23.41 times 40,000. Boom. Fixed rate personal loans can be used for any purpose. Members sometimes choose this loan for a particular purpose or a debt that they wish to pay in a specific period of time. The maximum loan is $40,000. The minimum loan is $1,000 with a maximum term of 5 years. All right, so you can use this $40,000 to pay and use for anything. All right, so that's another great thing about it. So that you can use it for, it's kind of like a personal / business loan, because you could use it for whatever that you want to use it for and pay the money back. All right, so you want to know how much it's going to cost to get a $40,000 loan, do 40,000 times $23.41, and there you go, how much your monthly payments will be. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about Star One Credit Union, how you can get your $40,000 personal bad credit loan CPN friendly. All right, so let's talk about it. Star One Credit Union giving out $40,000 personal loans with bad credit and a CPN friendly. How can you beat that? And like I told you in the beginning of the video, please be aware of using these CPNs, because a lot of people are getting sloppy. A lot of people are not being cautious. A lot of people are too thirsty. A lot of people are not understanding the magnitude of what's going on. A lot of people just are buying things and not know how to use them. It's getting to the point where people are so thirsty that they'll buy anything. Let's just say they buy this car that doesn't belong to them, and they're just go frivolously use it like they're theirs, like they're not going to get caught. Like, it's getting real ridiculous out here. Like, people are really doing, like, getting CPNs and going into these banks and trying to cash checks and mailboxes, and just getting ridiculous. So please be smart. Understand that knowledge is power, and applied knowledge is power. Once you understand and know how to do something correctly, however way you want to do it after that, you will have no problem doing it, because you already know how to do it the right way. So you will understand and find out and figure out what other ways that you can do it. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. All right, so my people out there, stop being sloppy. You don't want to be that person on the news because you and 20 other people been hitting up mailboxes and using stealing checks. And no, you want to be somebody that is successful. You want to be somebody that understands the magnitude of what's going on and understand what you really have to do so you can become successful, right? I'm not telling anybody to do anything, just a little bit of advice, because I want to see more people out there working smarter and not working harder. Don't be so desperate to the point that you willing to do whatever to get this money, because being that desperate, it never ends well. A lot of people don't understand that slow and steady always wins the race in this game. You don't have to make $1 million today. You ain't got to make $1 million tomorrow. But as long as you stay consistent and keep going, it'll come. All right, $10,000 100 times is $1 million. Easy as that. All right, so understand that any and everybody can get this money. You just got to understand and learn which path is best for you and hit the gas and mash in it. Easy as that. And credit is the #1 money game in the world. Once you learn about mortgages, once you learn about loans, credit cards, lines of credit, something will click in your head like, ooh, I can do this, I can do that. Let me do this and let me try that. And you'll figure out if you can make some money with it. Everything is not meant for everybody, but long as you really want to make some money, long as you really want to do something, it'll be meant for you. Point blank, period. All right, so make sure y'all taking that into consideration. Make sure y'all really tapping in. Make sure y'all really watching these videos from start to end, because a lot of people don't. A lot of people miss out on information that they really need. And a lot of people miss out on the opportunity to do business with because they don't watch the full information. They don't watch the full video and get the information that they need. All right, so make sure y'all really watching the video from start to finish, because you might miss out on key information that you need before you write me, and you might, by you not watching the whole video, you might not get a response from me. All right, so shout out to all my Real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to enter the world of financial freedom, you ready to get the sauce, you ready to learn how to make $1,000 a day, you ready to make $50,000 a month all profit, you ready to get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook that will teach you how to clean and rebuild your personal credit, which you can leverage towards your business credit, establish your business credit, and start getting major loans and CBN package plus more, all for for $600. All right, so don't miss out on that. Unlimited gems, FaceTime one-on-ones. You see a lot of people tapping in, getting their gems, elevating, getting the sauce, getting the information, and really taking off with it. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. But if you want to get this information in person, tap in on the crypto tour right now. In-person limited gems. $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state. All right, so if I gotta come out-of-state to you, it will be $5,500, $500 deposit, and you have to pay for my flight and my hotel. But if you come in-state to me, wherever I am, it will be $4,500. All right, so tap in with that. Once you book, you will get your free World Tour t-shirt, and we will go from there. It's better to get y'all in-person limited gems because it's going to be hands-on. I'm going to show you how to get this money, and you will start making money. I'm going to lead you to the water, but I can't make you drink. All right, so a lot of people think, here, do this, and you're going to make $1 million. No, you got to do something. You got to put it in the work, because this is your life. This is your money. Like, make it make sense. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, anybody out there looking to tap in on the Telegram, you're looking to get any type of methods, financial services, sites, you ready to get rich, tap into the Telegram. Wealth and Riches, link is in my community post and in all the links on my videos. All right, so once you click the title and all them links pop up, it's down there, or you go to my community post. Wealth and Riches is my Telegram. Any King Hustle Telegram is a scam. Do not fall for it. Get a FaceTime verification call or video if you're not sure. But if you're ready to get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards, FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, you want to get the World Tour t-shirt, 1 method and 1 free live card, tap into the Telegram right now. Wealth and Riches, let's get rich. Don't hate, come get a dinner plate. Easy as that. Y'all see a lot of people in the world making some money, so be the next to make some money. Also, still looking for people for the production company, looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, rappers, you name it. Tap in, let's get this cash. Let's build, let's grow, let's get these millions together. I'm looking for singers and rappers. You got views, you got videos, you got a fan base. Tap in, show me what you got. Music reviews is $100. Come get your chain, come get your watch. Let's make this money and elevate together, all right? Looking for models, younger, older, it don't matter. Everybody not meant to do the exact same thing. We're going to be doing skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, podcasts, music videos, traveling, so many different things, all right? So if you don't got a good head on your shoulders, you got a bad attitude, please, I don't need to work with you. But if you're ready to elevate, if we can build and grow off each other, teamwork make the dream work, let's work. All right, any woman across the world, let's get it, because I'm here to guide and provide you with the information that you need to succeed. Give you the information that a lot of people, well, nobody's clearly gave you before. So let me be the one to actually show you and give you directions, so we gonna sit down, we gonna talk, and I'm gonna see where your mind at. And I'm just like, okay, this will work better for you. You might not like it, but what you want to do hasn't been working, and what I feel is best for you that we can possibly do, and it works. Once you blow up with something, anything will blow up for you, all right? So don't sell yourself short. Give yourself more opportunity to do more things, so you can have an opportunity in more lanes. Because if you want to be a rapper, but you doing this podcast, whenever you blow up, boom, now you got a fan base. Now everybody going to love your music. Now everybody going to love this. Now everybody going to love that. That's all it's about. You got to give yourself more opportunities to be successful and be great. All right, so all my beautiful ladies out there, tap in. All my models out there, tap in. Let's win. Let's eat. Let's grow. Let's build. And let's become millionaires, multi-millionaires together. All right. Also looking for cameramen or women out there. You ready to hold a camera? You ready to travel surrounding areas? Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona. Tap in. All I need you to do is hold the camera, get the settings right, get good angles, and we're good to go. You don't even need to know how to edit. But it's good to start learning how to edit as you go. But I got editors on the team, so you don't need to know how to do that right now. All right, so Motivated people, dedicated people, people with ambition, tap in. Let's get these M's together. We got a lot of great funding this year for Hustle Nation Empire. So let's build, let's grow, let's get it together. It's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.